Girls are stupid!
Hey!
Sir?
Get out!
Wait, sir. Just wait.
Hey! Messed up dicks is the sign of messed up mind.
Sir, your dicks. Empty dicks is the sign of...
Okay, class, as you all know, all buffalo have tail and... What? Tell me, whose foot was first to be on moon?
Neil Armstrong.
And whose foot was second?
Neil Armstrong? You think Neil Armstrong walked like this?
Class, onion is only the fruit or vegetable that makes us cry.
Pineapple also makes you cry.